Hi everyone, my name is Dinesh and I am the socio-technical mentor for FinMiraki. I advise candidates on the CFA programs and run multiple technical courses across all levels of the program. Today in this series, I am going to talk about first level 1 CFA exam, which is going to be computer based and will be held in February 2021. Let's explore more. So CFA Institute is transitioning all level 1 CFA exams to computer based testing. So remember, this is only for level 1, no other levels right now. Now registration for this first computer based test, which will be held in February 2021. I repeat, February 2021. It opens 16 June 2020. Therefore, if you are appearing for December 2020 exam for level 1, that is the last paper-based exam that you will have for the level 1 manual series. Now let's look at few comparison between last paper-based versus first computer-based. So the December 2020 exam, which is the last paper-based test exam, will have 240 questions as standard, while February 21 exams, which is the first computer-based test exam, will have 180 questions. Now what that means is, that doesn't mean that either the time taken for each of the questions will increase as it does in level 2, but what it means is that the exam duration will be of a lower time. Now scheduling, this is where most of the convenience for the computer-based test comes from. In terms of scheduling, December 20 exam, only one exam per day per time offered. Now here in February 21 exam, you can schedule any day over a 7-day period. So you have got the flexibility to schedule any day as per your convenience. However, please remember that if you need to reschedule, it will involve a rescheduling fee of $250. Locations. So one of the most important reasons why CFA Institute has transition or is planning to transition to a computer-based test exam is that it will enable CFA Institute to conduct exam in more centers. So right now it's being conducted in 192 locations, but the proctored exam for the computer-based is going to happen in 400 plus locations globally. Now in terms of the exam length, so we already had 2-3 hour sessions, 2-hour gap in between for the traditional format. However, for the new format, we will have 2.25 hour sessions and 90 questions per session. The exam format remains the same, so nothing changes in terms of how you would have to study or how you would have to prepare. The format remains the same in terms of multiple choice questions, no change there. Now, for students who are appearing in level 1 exam in December 2020, they can register for level 2 exam in June 2021 if they are aggressive or if they want to attempt level 2 very quickly. However, if you are registering for the February 2021 computer-based test exams, then you will be able to register for the level 2 exam only for June 2022. Remember, not June 2021. Therefore, if you want to appear for level 2 immediately after clearing level 1 within the next 5 to 6 months, then it is better to go for the level 1 exam in a traditional format in December 2020. Now let's say that you are not able to clear December 2020 traditional level 1 exam. So then the next option for you is to appear for level 1 exam in May 2021. Remember, this will be a computer-based exam in May 2021 because December 2020 is the last traditional based exam. Now, if you do not clear December 2020 exam, it doesn't mean that you can appear for February 2021 computer-based exam. So the institute has, taken some window before you can appear for a retest there. Now, if you take February 2021 level 1 exams, and you are not able to clear it, then the next window when you can take the next level 1 exam will be August 2021.